Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be adding the background of the bird drawing that I did earlier. So let's get started. I'm using watercolor pencils. Also, if you are new to my channel and would like to connect with me through my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And you can always connect with me through my other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All that information is in the description box below for you. So I hope you enjoyed this drawing, so let's get started. So I'm just adding in the final touches to finish the drawing off. So this is the full color drawing. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below to buy products with this drawing on and many other drawings that I did as well. So check it out if you're interested, and don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment as well. And don't forget to check out these next videos I've put for you, and don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and you can always request something by commenting below or let me know what you think of this video, and if you're liking this video as well by commenting below. And if you want me to draw something or want me to make something for you, let me know. So then, have a great day. Bye.